No good deed goes unpunished. That's what one distillery operator said after learning she'd been fined $14,000 just for making hand sanitizer last year. Now the FDA is dropping the fines, but the distillery owners still have questions.
When many distilleries started making the change to making hand sanitizer instead of liquor, they expected they'd be able to help their communities during the pandemic. What they didn't expect was a fee from the federal government.
No good deed goes unpunished.
Peg Hayes says her operation, Casey Jones Distillery, is a small one, expected to produce 12,000 gallons of alcohol this year.
We are not just a small craft distillery, we are a nano small craft distillery.
Located in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, Casey Jones Distillery decided to join other small distilleries in shifting their operations to combat a shortage of hand sanitizer.
March the 15th, we had actually planned to close the distillery to get through COVID. And then in less than 2 weeks, we're out producing sanitizer.
The distillery hires only a handful of employees. When Peg says she found out she was facing a fee of more than $14,000 from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, she had some tough decisions.
We'd have probably sat down and had a big talk and said, look, how are we going to cut hours here?
The fee was under the OTC Monograph Drug User Fee Program, or in other words, distilleries like Casey Jones that decided to make hand sanitizer to help during the pandemic would have to pay for the right to do so last year. The Department of Health and Human Services reversed course Thursday, withdrawing the fee for producing hand sanitizer in 2020. In a statement, Health and Human Services Chief of Staff Brian Harrison wrote, "Small businesses who stepped up to fight COVID-19 should be applauded by their government, not taxed for doing so." Peg says she wants to know if she can continue selling the hand sanitizer she has left.
We'll lose the money we had invested in inventory.
But for now, she says she's grateful that this good deed won't be punished. Dennis Ting, WHAS 11 News.